Hey there, space explorers! Ever wonder about day and night on other planets? Here on Earth, a day is about 24 hours. That's how long it takes our planet to spin around once. But guess what? Other planets have their own unique spin cycles, making their days much longer or shorter than ours. Think of a basketball player spinning a basketball on their finger. Planets spin like that too, rotating on an invisible line called an axis. As a planet spins, different parts face the sun, creating day and night. Let's blast off on a tour of our solar system and discover how long a day lasts on each of our planetary neighbours. Get ready for some surprises. Before we explore the weird and wonderful spins of individual planets, let's check out this handy chart. It shows how long a day lasts on each planet in our solar system, both in Earth hours and Earth days. Planet length of day in Earth hours, length of day in Earth days. Mercury 1,408 hours, 58.6 Earth days. Venus 5,832 hours, 243 Earth days. Earth 24 hours, 1 Earth day. Mars 24.6 hours, 1.03 Earth days. Jupiter 9.9 hours, 0.41 Earth days. Saturn 10.7 hours, 0.45 Earth days. Uranus 17.2 hours, 0.72 Earth days. Neptune 16.1 hours, 0.67 Earth days. Wow! Did you see that Venus has a day longer than its year? And Jupiter spins super fast. Hold on tight as we learn more about these planetary spin cycles. Venus and Uranus. Most planets in our solar system spin in the same direction as they orbit the Sun. That's counterclockwise if you're looking down from above the North Pole. But Venus and Uranus like to do things differently. Venus rotates clockwise, the opposite of most planets. Imagine the Sun rising in the west and setting in the east. That's what it would be like to live on Venus. Astronomers think a massive collision long ago might have flipped Venus upside down, changing its spin. Uranus is another oddball. It spins on its side like a rolling ball. This extreme tilt means that for part of its orbit, one pole is pointed directly at the Sun, while the other pole is shrouded in darkness. Talk about extreme seasons. Scientists believe a giant impact early in Uranus's history could have knocked it on its side. Section 4, Mercury, Venus, Uranus, speedy spins and slow turns. Let's take a closer look at 3 fascinating planets with unique spins. Mercury, Venus and Uranus. Mercury, the smallest planet, is a speedy little guy. It zooms around the Sun but rotates slowly. One day on Mercury lasts almost 59 Earth days. That means you could celebrate your birthday for almost 2 Earth months straight on Mercury. Venus, our hot and hazy neighbour, is a slowpoke when it comes to spinning. In fact, its day is longer than its year. One rotation takes 243 Earth days, while one orbit around the Sun takes only 225. Talk about a long day at the office. Uranus, the tilted giant, has a day that lasts about 17 hours. But remember that extreme tilt? For about a quarter of its orbit, one pole faces the Sun continuously, experiencing constant daylight for about 42 Earth years. Then, it's the other pole's turn for a never-ending night. Section 5. Why so different? The story of spin. Why do planets have such different day lengths? It all goes back to how they formed billions of years ago. Imagine a giant cloud of gas and dust swirling around the young Sun. This material clumped together, forming baby planets. Collisions between these early planets caused them to spin, and the speed and direction of those collisions determined their final rotation rates. Think of it like bumping into a friend while spinning around. You might speed up, slow down, or even change direction. The same goes for planets. Those early collisions also influenced their tilts, shaping the unique characteristics we see today. Section 6. Keep on spinning. From the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy plains of Uranus, each planet in our solar system spins to its own rhythm. By studying these rotations, astronomers can learn more about a planet's formation, history, and even its potential for life. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember those spinning worlds and their fascinating stories. Keep exploring and keep asking questions about the universe around us.
Like and subscribe to start your journey today.